Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ambi here, and for today's video we're gonna make an apricot lotion, and the final product looks like this. So let me start showing you how it's done. Oh, so before we get on with the video, don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Twitter and my Instagram are cutieambi. So yeah, you should definitely follow me if you're not following me right now, so you could have an update on what I'm doing and why I'm not posting videos. As you all know, I'm a college student, so it's very hard for me to make videos sometimes. So yeah, don't forget to interact with me on my social medias. So we have this lotion base. It's just a white lotion. We're going to use this as a base for our apricot lotion. And then we have a straw. We're going to use this to mix. And here's the apricot exfoliator that we're going to use to mix in with the base. Basically, it's this really small, very fine bead-type apricot. We're going to take this and mix it with the lotion base. So let's go ahead and mix it. Apricot is a natural exfoliator, so it should leave our skin feeling smooth and exfoliated. So there you go, I just put in all the apricot exfoliator. It looks like this. Okay, so we have all the apricot in there. Now we're just gonna mix it evenly. All I'm doing is mixing and mixing until it's evenly mixed, like so. Ooh, okay, spilled it a little. So far we have this, and I still need to mix it. You want to make sure the apricot is evenly mixed with the lotion base. Just mixing it. It smells really good. It smells like apricot, so that's a good thing. Okay, so this should be enough. It looks like this. Okay, so now let's test it on our skin. I'm just gonna get the one on the straw. Okay, let's test it here. Okay, it feels really nice. I can tell it's gonna be a good exfoliator because I could feel the beads on my hand. And it smells really good too. You can kind of see the apricot beads. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it, use it like a lotion. It definitely does a good job in exfoliating my hands. And it smells so good, so this is a good lotion. Gonna use it on my arm now. The beads are definitely doing their job. Yeah. So that's it for the apricot lotion. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys!